Hello everyone and welcome to 5 stocking stuffer ideas on a budget. You know, I just thought about it. Okay, number 3 isn't so much on a budget, but we'll work with that. Alright, so the first stocking stuffer idea is going to be socks or underwear. Keep in mind, if you're a friend, stray away from the underwear idea. We went over that in our presents idea, but basically just don't get your friends underwear. It's weird. On that note, one of the most disappointing things that you can find, well, one of the most disappointing things that I found when I was a kid, when I opened a present, were socks. I never wanted to open a present and find socks. 2 years ago when I worked at Staples, and I opened a Secret Santa, and it was socks that didn't fit me, mind you. I had to hide a little bit of disappointment. I don't want socks for Christmas. I don't know if that's just me, but I don't want socks for Christmas. A stocking stuffer doesn't feel like it takes away from a Christmas present. So if you wanted to give someone socks and a stocking stuffer, awesome. Christmas present, not so much.
Nah. Stocking stuffer number 2, you can get people scratchers. Everybody can appreciate a scratcher.
When she says scratcher, by the way, she means the lottery tickets.
I mean lottery.
I have no idea what you call them, but the scratcher tickets that the lottery sells.
Scratch offs, those things you buy that's just from Cal Lottery, from this big machine, or you just go to the liquor store. Yeah, they'll be really good stocking stuffer ideas for everyone. And they could all play, and they could win a lot of money, and then you probably gotta ask them like, hey, so you won $100 bucks, so I got you this, so you should like give me some money.
On that note, I want to add $1 scratchers almost always lose, so if you want to get someone a scratcher where they actually have somewhat of a chance of winning, I would recommend at least a $3 scratcher. I play a lot of scratchers. Alright, stocking stuffer idea number 3 is going to be stationery. Now, not a lot of people would think that stationery could be a good stocking stuffer. However, I think everyone here can appreciate when you need to write something and you have a really nice pen. Like, it's one of those things you don't think about until you actually have the pen. But when I'm writing with like a $6 pen, it just feels better than when I'm writing with like a 25 cents for 25 pens thing.
I have a favorite pen, so a Sharpie pen, fine. It's awesome. It did cost me a lot. Like 3 pens for $5. For me, that's a lot. But using those to write is just the best feeling ever. It's better than some regular pen.
There are these Pentel pens that I really like. I don't remember the name for the life of me, but they're like $6 for a 6-pack, and they're pretty good pens. You know,
I think I remember using one of those, but I don't know which ones, because they're all like all kind of same. I don't know.
Yeah, those names are not memorable.
Okay, stocking stuffer number 4, snacks. Everyone can appreciate snacks. Cookies, little chips, nuts, chocolate, Rice Krispie treats.
Make sure they don't have an active fireplace if you get chocolate.
All snacks are pretty good. Just make sure they don't expire like in that month, because that would totally suck. But yeah, snacks for everyone.
That would be unfortunate. They're all expired by the time you get them your Halloween candy. No, their favorite candy is an awesome stocking stuffer idea. And the 5th stocking stuffer idea is going to be essentials. So, for example, when I say essentials, I mean stuff that they would use in their everyday life. My dad personally uses this worker's hand cream. So a hand cream would be a very good stocking stuffer idea. It's small, it fits in a stocking, and it's not super expensive. So if they have something maybe like a toothpaste that they like a little bit more, but they don't get because it's a little more expensive, like it's $5 instead of $3, it could be an awesome stocking stuffer idea. So, you know, maybe ask them, what kind of essentials do you use in your day-to-day life? And hey, you might just have a stocking stuffer idea right there.
I always get Grand Bliss sticks every single year.
It's true, I have Bliss sticks from last year, right? Behind the camera, actually.
But he likes Bliss sticks, so. I
do like Bliss sticks.
I
like the tubes. I like the chapstick version. I'll take any Bliss sticks. So if you want to send Bliss sticks to us, send Bliss sticks to P.O. Box 6978 at... No, we did actually try to get a P.O. Box once.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, we did. No one sent us anything. Thanks, guys, for asking us to do that and then doing that to us.
Thanks for wasting our time.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you got a good idea out of it, because let's be real now, that's why you probably clicked on this video. And if you did, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more awesome Christmas tips, because we're rolling these out all the way out to Christmas. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye!